So I don't like the factory black exhaust tips, so I went ahead and ordered these new exhaust tips from BigBoz. So these are polished chrome. And so let's just do a comparison. So in terms of length, they're pretty much identical. The inlet sizes also identical, so it's going to make for a super easy install. The only thing I've noticed, the factory exhaust tip has this band right here for the clamps to clip onto, whereas this one doesn't. In terms of outlet size, they're identical. They look identical. This one's a 5-inch, and I think the factory is a 5-inch as well. Here's a shot from the side. I definitely like the look of the BigBoz polished tips a little better.